Hi guys, welcome back. We are in Honduras today, Roatan, and it is day 4 of our cruise.
Wednesday.
Yeah, so we're heading to just walk around for a little bit, and then after that we are going to horseback ride.
Which ought to be a lot of fun because we're doing it on the beach.
Yes, then we get to go to a private beach, just some swimming, snorkeling, things like that. Want to take you along. So hope you have a great day here in Honduras.
Let's get going.
pretty fun. I wish it lasted a little bit longer, but we did get quite a bit of time at the beach to just, chill out. We got some quesadillas, had a couple drinks.
Met some new friends.
Yeah, she was networking the whole time we were there.
Not the whole time, but just some of it.
It seems like it, especially from Mr. Antisocial himself.
Yeah.
So, but all in all, it was a pretty good day, other than the fact that it was overcast and cloudy, and it wasn't as warm as what you would expect. They said the guy that we were talking to on the way there, the same thing happened yesterday, but it's the weather. You can't predict the weather.
And it is rainy season here.
Yeah.
So, and it's good that it's cooler because it's better for the horses because they are cooler.
They're not being overworked and overheated.
Yeah, so it actually worked out. And when you're in the rainforest, the little rain that's happening, it's not terrible at all. It actually feels kind of refreshing. So it was nice.
Yeah, so to finish out our day here on the Roatan Honduras island, because it is an island.
Yes.
We're not at the mainland, we're at an island.
Yes.
To finish out our day, we're going to have some dinner, catch a show, and call it a night.
And then tomorrow we'll be in Puerto Costa Maya.
And there's a plane.
It's a private boat too. Yeah, so sorry about that, guys. You heard that, we apologize. But yes, tomorrow we'll be in Puerto Costa Maya, Mexico. And we have some stuff going on there.
Yeah, so we'll bring along for the excursion that we have planned. We also have an excursion planned in our last stop of Cozumel, Mexico.
Yes.
So we want to give you guys a good idea. Each video will be of the specific stops, so it's broken up, not one giant video.
Yes.
So it gives you an idea of what you can expect if you were to book this excursion, if you were on this trip.
Or even visiting, because you can also book the excursions on different sites as well.
Yeah, you're right. It doesn't have to be through Royal Caribbean. It can be through, your agent can find them, and it's not through their cruise company, because we have access to a portal for excursions.
Yes.
So
until next time, guys, thank you for joining, and see you soon.
bye.
Bye.